Hey, okay, let's have another go and edit this image now. So we are going to use smooth, silky smooth skin, and there you go. I have the action right there. Gonna use it about the 70%, and I'm using the brush on white, and quickly go and smooth her skin from all these little things that you can see. They don't look so nice and smooth. There you go. Nice smooth skin. Let's have a look. Okay, let's just zoom in so you can see it again. Oh good. So flatten image, and next is let's do the reduce the redness. I'm going to use it with a bit lower opacity. There you go. A little bit here, a little bit there. Alright, so baby skin is looking a little bit grayish at the moment, so we don't like that. So let's just flatten the image, grab the soft skin tone. I can even go higher than that and make this skin look nice and healthy. Flatten the image, and next one will be warm glow. Just make the face look nice and warm. And now it looks much nicer. A little bit more in the eyes area. Alright, flatten image. Move on to sharpen eyes and lips. I'm going to do the add light later. Just 100% opacity going around the eyes. Don't want to get all the messy bits on the eyes sharp, so just clearing it and sharpen the lips. That looks so good. Flatten the image. Now I'm gonna go for add light. Slightly bigger brush, and opacity is a bit lower. A few touches here and there on baby's face. There you go, just on the highlights. I'm emphasizing the highlights on baby's face. There you go, flatten image. Do I want to get more blush cheeks a little bit? Let's just get my brush a bit bigger. She's already really blushed naturally, but that's okay. Flatten image and volumize lashes. This is the same baby that we've edited before, and she is really fair, and her eyelashes, you can barely see them. I'm just gonna go around that nice little line there, just trying to emphasize the eyes. There you go. A little bit on the lips if you feel like it. You don't have to. I sometimes do it, sometimes don't. Let's have a quick look before and after. I think I'll skip the lips on this one, so just deleting it away. There you go. Just leaving the eyes. Happy with that. Flatten image. And I'm gonna use my patch tool, just taking away a few of these little bits that left on her skin. Looks alright. I don't think there's much to touch there. I think her skin looks really great now. So we're done with the skin, and I think it looks really good. And the only thing that I don't like is the background. So it was really wrinkly in the background. So just it actually fell off as well. So it wasn't really tight. And there you go. I'm just going to remove all of these wrinkles from the background. Now when I'm happy with that, I'm just going to duplicate my layer, grab my brush, and quickly, yeah, I'm on 50%, it's fine. I'm just sampling the the color from this area and kind of smoothing away some of the stuff. There you go, smooth this area here as well. Just gonna creating a nice little gradient between the background and the image, the baby in the image. There you go, all nice and smooth. And I've created duplicated the layer because I wanted to open a layer mask and just simply later on with 100% opacity just bring back all the details that I've sort of deleted a little bit. Alright, that's all good. Let's go before and after just for this layer. So it looks nice and smooth now. Flatten the image, and in this image what I wanted to do as well was to add a texture. So we got the texture overlay right there in our actions. So just click OK, or sorry, continue, and my actions are right there. I'm going to select an action, how's it called, texture overlay. I'll go for this one today. There you go, just drag it, click OK. The action doesn't come with files for textures. You can just download any texture that you want and just use the action to activate it. Just drag it a little bit higher because I don't like that dark, too much dark on the sides. Click OK, and I'm going to use my brush, black brush on 100%, and just remove the texture from the baby, just from the baby. I'm gonna get a bigger brush right now, reduce the opacity a little bit, and just go around, just smooth a little bit more. I don't want too much of the texture. Now the other layer is just basically extracting the highlights and the shadows from the texture image and placing it on top of the baby. So if you like it, you can keep it. If you don't like it, you don't have to keep it. It's just part of the action. Alright, I kind of like it, so happy with that one, happy with these results. I'm flattening the image. And just finished touches, I'm just going to have a quick look, see what I like. I don't know which of these actions I would like to use. I don't think I'd like that one. No, don't feel like having this one as well. And maybe golden egg, let's see. Yep, that sort of like popped the image, and I like that one better, so I'm just going to reduce the opacity a little bit. I don't want it to be too strong. A little bit higher. There you go, flatten the image. And I'm gonna go and do some final touches on raw filter. I want to reduce a little bit of the highlights. It just looks a bit too much. I'm gonna get a little bit of shadows and a lot more contrast, and maybe even make it a little more pinkish. Yeah, alright, I think. And quick look. I think I like it. Let's click OK and see what happened. Okay, it's a bit, just a little bit too much, isn't it? And lips there. Okay, so I'm going to just, I just went back to Command Z. I just went back one step and duplicated the layer, and I'm just going to apply that filter again, but this time on a new layer so that I can edit out from areas that I less like it. Okay, alright, so that is it. Click flatten image, and I want to click on matte layer now. There you go. I'm just going to click in that gradient action, place it better. Let's have a quick look before and after. Like I said, it looks nice. I'm not so happy about how it looks like in the middle. So I am using my layer mask and just getting it a little bit off the baby. Let's have a look at how it looks like now. And I'm happy with that. I am going to flatten the image and that's pretty much it. I'm just going to do final touches right now. Let's try the oil paint effect, which I usually just remove from baby face. But I love how it makes everything else looks nice and smooth. So going to remove it from baby face. Yep, I like it on the rest of the image. Just removing it from a little bit more than the baby face. I'm going to use high details now as well. Let's see if I clicked it. No, click again. High details. Okay, that's just gonna bring some details on baby face. Let's have a quick look. Yeah, I kind of like it almost all over the image. Click OK, flatten image, and I'm gonna go to filter liquify because yes, I know I am picky. That's it. I think that looks okay. A little bit here. Alright, I think that looks okay. That's it, a little rounder. And that's it. I don't think I need to use anything else in this image. I think it looks just fine the way it is now. So that's pretty much going to be my final edit. If you guys like it a bit warmer, just click on filter, warm filter. I think I actually like it better now as well. So I might just remove it from baby's face. Don't want it to be too warm. There you go. Click flatten image, and alright, so that's my final image right there. And let's just have a quick look on before and after. There you go, so that's the after, and this is where we started from. Looks like a big difference, isn't it? There you go. So that's it. Hope you liked it, and let me know if you need any other help. That was me doing my edit with the actions again. And thank you so much for listening. See you later. Bye bye.